This is the worst day of quarantine, I have to say. I've been having a lot of fun until now. So, Trump has ordered a national emergency. No one is at work. People are being sent home. I just shot my last episodes for the next potentially 2 weeks, maybe 3. Who knows? Maybe a month. This is crazy. We're doing tie-dye! Let's learn how to draw. So today I'm about to have a virtual singing lesson. Hi guys, I'm gonna try my hand at beauty blogging since there's nothing else in this world to do. Swipe up with your janky little nails because you can't get a manicure. Can you not? Let me see your janky little nails. She can't get a manicure. Doing my own nails these days. Took so long to get my nails this pretty. What should we do for dinner? What do we have? We got beans, we got rice, we got hot dogs, we got hot pockets, we got tortellines, we got lean cuisines. So what do you want? Do I save all that? Like reuse it tomorrow? There's supposed to be a 3-mile incline for my half marathon. So I decided to run a mountain today. This is how you shake a drink. It's so cold. I have frostbite. No, I don't want to. You ready for the airtime? Woo! Bro, my arms hurt. Ow! You know that face you make when you're filing your nails? Today is April 13th. It's my 29th birthday. Happy birthday. I'm really nervous. Tons of my friends have stopped by, dropped off gifts and goodies and drinks. I'm just so grateful. It's been a really, really spectacular birthday so far. I'm gonna save that for later. Come off, nail polish. I just want you off. Since there's a shortage on toilet paper, I got a bidet. Not only one to go to my toilet, I got a travel one. Step 1, expand. Step 2, go poo. Step 3, wash. Water comes out of here. Beauty blendy blend. Woo. Why not? I forgot to do the eyebrows. I suck at this! We're now gonna do the eyebrows portion of this tutorial. I love you. Actually try to get better.
Out of your nose. I'll go higher. And after you do that, I want you to go, me, my. I am getting better. For 3 to 5 minutes a day, you would notice you're singing inside of a week. If
you did like 4 minutes.
It was a vocal exercise, not a freaking vocal performance. Of course, already a fail happening. I'm 1 week out from my half marathon. It was just announced that my half marathon will be canceled. Well, half marathon's not even happening anymore. I'm gonna run 13.1 miles next week.
Love you.
Hey, my name is Chandler. Don't I look like a Chandler? Breakfast for dinner, breakfast for dinner, breakfast for dinner. Today we're shooting 500 episodes. This cake right here, it says 500. We've got balloons. I can't believe we've done all that. We made it here after 4 years of growing and evolving with the show. It's run day. 1 mile left of my solo 6-miler. And I'm almost there. Rain or shine, Corona or not. Here we go. You can do this, Erin. You got this, Erin. You're strong. You did it, E-girl. So proud of you. Thank you. Does that feel good? Yeah? Okay, Erica's officially moving out after over a month of staying with me.
Love you, Mom.
How was it?
It was great.
I'm gonna miss
Happy to
you.
quarantine with you.
I don't want you to leave now.
Love you.
Don't leave. Why are you leaving?
You're a dick if you hit me. Can you not hit them as hard as you can? That almost hit my face. What the?
Don't you want me and all my Corona?
Leave me alone.
Corona beers. She's leaving me. I'm gonna be all alone. I haven't lost my mind yet. She wasn't made for this life. No frostbite. It's day 46 of quarantine. And remember when I got this little portable bidet thing? Now I actually have a legit bidet hooked up to the water system. It squirts high pressure water onto my booty. Isn't that so exciting? It's kind of cold, but it's awesome. I have a really clean butt, and like I don't even need toilet paper anymore. Here we are. Ugh! And now it is day 583, or like 70 something. I've been in this hat and this t-shirt and these shorts for a couple days, and we're in the dark because we're all alone. Nah, I'm kidding. We're fine. I don't know why we're in the dark. We're just like in silence, Pearl and I, for once. Here's an update on my nails. This side is really cute. I've gotten good at painting my nails. And then here's this side. That's where we're at. I love quarantine. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you click and subscribe if you love it. I need friends, so like help me out and subscribe and do the things that you're supposed to do to make me a great vlogger.